Credit Saint Honest Review. Watch before using. Credit Saint is a well-known credit repair service that aims to help individuals improve their credit scores by disputing negative items on their credit reports. They offer 3 service tiers: Credit Polish, Credit Remodel, and Clean Slate. Each level comes with varying degrees of aggressive dispute tactics, making it a good fit for those with different levels of credit damage. The Credit Polish plan is for minor issues, while Clean Slate is for those with significant negative marks on their credit. One of the standout features of Credit Saint is their 90-day money-back guarantee, which is rare in the credit repair industry. If you don't see any improvement in your credit report after 90 days, you can request a full refund. Credit Saint also provides free credit evaluations, where they review your credit report and identify the problem areas. The company works directly with the major credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, to challenge inaccurate items like late payments, charge-offs, collections, and bankruptcies. This makes it suitable for anyone struggling with their credit and unsure where to start. Their online dashboard gives clients full transparency, allowing them to track disputes and updates in real time. However, it's important to note that credit repair isn't a quick fix. It may take several months to see meaningful results, especially if you have severe credit issues. While Credit Saint has a strong reputation for delivering results, it's also one of the more expensive options on the market, with plans ranging from $79.99 to $119.99 per month. If budget is a concern, this might not be the best choice. In summary, Credit Saint is a legitimate and effective option for those looking to repair their credit, but it's crucial to manage expectations. It's not a miracle cure, and it may take time and money. If you're ready to invest in your credit repair journey, their combination of transparency, refund guarantee, and customized plans make them a solid choice.